I'm Mark Kavanaugh for Kavi Coaches, and today I'm going to coach you up on creating a material and why and using the add and create buttons. We're going to create a material by finding it where? In the classwork page. So we're going to click on the classwork page and we're going to find this in the create where we found assignment, quiz assignment, question. So we click select material. Now the reason that you'd create a material is because you just want some information to the student, not a graded assignment, just something that says here's some information that you need, or something to read, or a homework assignment that you want to post to collect later. So we're going to title this assorted materials. We'll give it a description as to what we are going to do. So from here on out, we're going to learn how to use all of the buttons here. So we're going to click on add, and in add we've used this many times. We've discussed it, we haven't used it. So we're going to go ahead and click on Google Drive, and we're going to add a file from the Google Drive. So we click on Google Drive, it opens up to your Google Drive that is linked to the Google Classroom account. And you see up here we have recents, upload, my drive, and starred, and we'll talk about those features here when we do our series on drive. So we can click on upload, that would upload an assignment. Drive gives you this kind of standard version that you would see, and as I said, we'll talk about starred in another video. So go to the recent page. So if you were recently working on the document, which is most likely the case, you want to select recent, and then down here in the bottom right hand corner, you're going to go ahead and select insert. And you're going to see that this video that was selected is now posted as a bar across underneath the assignment. So now we're going to add a link. So a link is a link to a website. So let's say I'm working on a lab on static electricity. I have the link open and I have static electricity where I have a balloon, and we're working on looking at how static electricity. I want the students to experience this and see what's actually happening with static electricity. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to right click and copy that link, and I'm going to go ahead here and right click and paste the link. And now I can see the link to the static electricity and balloons is now posted underneath my Google Drive video. So I can create a file, and it opens the same thing as Google Drive. So you really don't have to do anything different. You just select Google Drive and then upload, and then we can find a file anywhere on our computer. So I'm going to go ahead and find a file and drag it here. So I'm going to find some clip art from Kavi Coaches. I'm going to drag and upload, and there's my clip art. Now we're going to add a YouTube video. So we click on YouTube, and it opens up a link for just a search in YouTube. So I'm going to search for Kavi Coaches. It opens up the videos. I'm going to click on one of the videos, and it automatically uploads, and you can see that it's a YouTube video and it's 4 minutes long. And here is my image, here's the web address, and there's the video from Google Drive. So now we're going to look at the create button. So the create button opens up any one of these Google products or Google apps, and we're going to click on a Google Doc to create it. And at this point you're creating a document from scratch, or maybe you have something in a Word document that you want to copy over, and so we're going to name this as a sample assignment, and we'll go back to Google Classroom. And don't be alarmed that the title hasn't changed. It's just because we haven't refreshed this page yet. So it's going to stay as untitled until we save or refresh. So we could create anything else here. It would be the same way. I'd name it as untitled document to begin with, and we would go ahead and name it. So we've got the same features we've had in with other assignments. We can select classes and students and topics. So now we're going to look at the post. The post is the same. It's post, schedule, or save as draft, or discard. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to post this assignment. And now we can see the assignment is posted. The students will get an email anytime we post a material or an assignment, quiz assignment, or question. They'll get an email notification. Congratulations, you created your first material and learned how to use the add and create buttons. Have a great day, and even better tomorrow. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Kavi Coaches, and follow me on Instagram and Twitter @Kavi Coaches.